everyone, welcome back to my video. Okay, you know what? I'm so excited to share with you that I received the parcel from Coca-Cola. Oh my god. And also get refreshed with the limited edition Coca-Cola emoji ka. So this is it. Nandito siya sa box na to. Oh my god. Thank you so much Coca-Cola because I got this one for free. Yes, wala akong binayaran maski piso. Even though the shipping, no, wala. Okay, now let's unbox this one. Oh my god. You can see it? Grabe. You know what? Lalagyanan palang carton palang to mga moms. Pero grabe, napakaganda na niya. And refresh the giver. Now, let's see. Okay. And also Coca-Cola, meron siyang message for the giver who makes Christmas brighter. Oh my god. Thank you so much Coca-Cola. So, from this bag, this red box, nandito siya sa white. Then now let's open. Wow! Amazing! Oh. Diba yung mga nag-aano ganito sila yung mga parang sila ulo lang. Wow! You can see? So may nakalagay siyang Coca-Cola here. And then you need to twist para mabuksan. And also, they have a cute silicone yung straw niya, and then this one I think pwede naman pwede siya sa hot and cold as long as hindi lang ilalagay itong straw kasi baka matunaw or but oh my god, ang ganda. Thank you so much Coca-Cola. So that's it for today's video. Yun lang. I am so happy that I got this for free.